Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making air fryer peach cobbler wings. They're sweet, sticky, and a little bit spicy. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 cup of peach preserves, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/8 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure you have cleaned and dried your wings, then place them in a large bowl. Now add your onion powder and paprika. Now sprinkle with the salt and pepper, then add the cornstarch. Now mix until each piece has been evenly coated. Add your wings to your air fryer, then set the temperature of your air fryer to 380 degrees. Allow your wings to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, remove your wings from the air fryer, then place them in a large bowl. Using medium-low heat, bring a saucepan to temperature. To make the peach cobbler sauce, add your preserves, butter, brown sugar, red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, and apple cider vinegar. Then mix well. Allow your sauce to simmer for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove your sauce from the heat, then pour over your wings. If you would like a printable version of this recipe, along with other great recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft.